welcome back to my channel. Ew. I know, I look like a freaking boy, okay? I just got out of the gym. I'm sweating, I feel disgusting, but as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. This is what my hair looks like right now. I'm gonna put it down for you guys. It's obviously not purple anymore. Like from my last video, it was pretty lavenderish, but it has completely faded and I'm not loving it. I'm not loving it. I really wanted my purple hair to stay, but as you can see, there's still some purple, but it's only in the inside, and I really want it to be all over. So today, this is a different video, and it's gonna be fun. I hope it's gonna be fun. But I have all my materials up in front of me. I'm like filming at a really weird angle in my room. This is like my big mirror, so you'll see my reflection. Don't mind that. At the end of this video, I will tell you guys my hair journey, how I got my hair to this and whatnot. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So the last time I dyed my hair purple, I actually used the Ion Brilliance Brights permanent hair color. I'll insert a picture right here. And it was in the shade purple, and it was permanent, so I was hoping that it would last a little longer, but it only lasted for a good like 4 washes, so I was kind of disappointed. So when I went back to Sally's, I picked up Manic Panic. This is their ultraviolet color. This is semi-permanent, but I heard a lot of reviews say that this actually lasts a lot longer than the Ion one, so I'm gonna give this one a go. And to kind of like make it more pastel looking, I also got the Manic Panic, what is this called? Pastelizer. Okay, so I'm gonna mix these two babies up and we'll just see what I can get. I'm gonna show you guys the tools you will need. Gloves. I have conditioner with me just in case I was like running out of the pastelizer. Some clips. Brush and a bowl, obviously. More brushes. And an ugly shirt. This is my kindergarten shirt, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I literally look like a child. First thing I'm gonna do is brush out my hair. It's actually pretty disgusting. It is hair washing day, so why did I say that weird? It is hair washing day, so this is what my hair looks like. It has a really pretty silver tint. It's not picking up on the camera, but it has a really nice silver ashy blonde tint to it. And I really like that, but I've been really digging the purple, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go back. And also a tip for you, if you guys like have light ashy blonde silvery hair and you want to dye your hair purple, definitely go for a purple that has a blue undertone. This has a blue undertone, so that when it fades, it'll fade into like a nice lavendery, silvery look rather than a like pink pastel look, unless that's what you're going for. But you know, if you want to keep that ashy tone in your hair once the purple fades, definitely get a purple toned. I lost the word, but you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on. I'm gonna take this baby off, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just dig in. Whoa, that is vibrant, okay? Vibrant. Okay, so I feel like I'm just gonna go and use about that much, okay? Then I'm gonna go with the pastelizer. I feel like that's not enough. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of it because I have a lot of hair, guys. Okay? So I'm gonna just add all of it. That's what I got as a color. Okay, and this is the consistency. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go and kind of smother it all over my head. I don't really have like a specific way. I might just start with the front first, flip the back of my hair. I guess the mirror is good so you guys can see what I'm kind of doing. Make sure the color is saturated all over the hair. I'm gonna look like an idiot. I literally just finished. I saturated my hair. This is what it looks like. If you guys can kind of see, I have literally stains everywhere, all around me. It even got on my workout pants. Like, but I'm gonna go ahead and now cover this baby up. Okay, I'm sorry that you guys heard my AC the whole time. It is way too dang hot here. I am still feeling disgusting. Like I said before in the intro, I just came back from the gym. I'm feeling kind of disgusting and sweaty and gross, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good on the inside. While I wait, I might as well just talk to you guys about my hair journey. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just insert pictures here of my hair. So I actually had pitch black hair. Like, I dyed it black, I had it cut, and throughout the most like of summer I had black hair until the end of August hit, which was like August 28-ish. I decided I wanted my hair to be a lot lighter, so I bleached my hair twice. I bleached my hair twice in a week, which is so bad. I know it's so bad. I've literally watched and researched so many videos. I'm sorry, can you guys even take me seriously with this thing on my head? I bleached my hair about 2 to 3 times in the span of 3 days to get my hair as light as possible. And this is what my hair ended up being like. It's kind of like yellowish. It's also because of the lighting in that room. But as you can see, it is kind of yellow, light yellow, and that's what I was kind of going for because I really wanted my hair to be light enough for me to tone. So then I toned it, and then my hair turned into this, and it kind of left like a ashy tint. You know, it definitely did tone down the orangeness and the brassiness of my hair, but it did leave a greenish tint. So in order for that to get away, I dyed it using Ion's permanent hair color in chrome, which is like a dark silver color, and I really wanted a silver color from that point on. So I put that on. My hair actually started to look silver, and then when it started to fade, it started to look greenish again, like sort of like khaki colored, army green colored green. Yeah, that was my hair. And I did not like it at all. Did not like it at all, but I had to stick with it because I did not want to touch my hair anymore. I actually went to the spa, okay? And there's a lot of chlorine in the spa, and I went swimming, and I was like, you know, I really don't want to ruin my hair, but my hair already got wet, so I was like, why not? Might as well. My hair already got wet. So I was swimming and stuff like that. And by the time, you know, my hair dried and I got home, the green tint kind of washed away and it left like this really nice blonde. It wasn't ashy, it wasn't golden, it was just blonde, and I really liked it. So this is the picture right here. I don't know if you guys can tell because this is like the picture from the beach, but you get the gist of it. I kind of started getting bored again. So when September hit, that's when I wanted to go purple. Oh, I didn't really do that much research, gotta be honest with you. I didn't do that much research. So I put the Ion color on my hair, and it was this beautiful, beautiful, vibrant purple. Like, it wasn't the purple I was going for, but it was like this purple, okay? It was that purple on the first 2 days. It was like very vibrant, very bold, and I was kind of iffy about it because I felt really emo, zoomies kind of, and I was like, that's not my style. But I knew it was gonna fade, so the first day I washed it, it faded into this really nice light purple. I don't know if I have any pictures, but if I do, it'll be like on this side. And then after a couple days, I had to wash my hair again, and it faded again, and it just got lighter and lighter. But on my third wash, yeah, my third hair wash, it faded into the lavender that I wanted, and I loved it. And that was the lavender color in my previous video. That was the color I loved. I wanted to keep that forever, but eventually, you know, your girl has to wash her hair. So I washed my hair, and by the fourth wash, it almost disappeared. Like, the purple almost disappeared, and that's kind of what my hair was before. It was like silvery tint and purple on the inside. It was just not cute. I mean, I really liked the ashiness that it left behind, but I wanted my hair to be purple. So here we are today. I know that was a really, really long ramble, but that was basically my hair journey. I don't even know what time it is. I have to go eat out soon, and oh my god, I forgot to tell you how long you guys keep this on. So you guys keep this on for like 30 minutes to an hour. It depends on how vibrant or how long you want the color to last. I am due to a time limit. You know, I gotta be out of here by 7. I gotta get ready by 7. I have to keep it around maybe 35 minutes, 40 minutes. I don't know. I'm gonna try to keep it as long as I can, and then kind of just schedule how long I can get ready, because I do have to dry my hair and show you guys the results and get pretty, because, you know, this looking cute. Okay. I'm back. Literally just got back from dinner. I'm a little beat. I'm so tired. I did so much today, and I'm just exhausted. But this is what my hair turned out to be like. I didn't have time to like straighten it or curl it, so this is my natural hair. It's kind of wavy. But yeah, it's not lavender. It's not like the lavender or pastel color that I wanted. But I know this will fade. And I can tell that off the bat, this color is gonna stay put, because when I was washing it off my hair, the water wasn't purple like the whole time, you know? It was like purple for like the first couple minutes, and then it eventually turned clear. Unlike the first dye that I used, which was the Ion one, it was just purple all throughout. Like, even if I scrubbed it or anything like that, it would just drain purple water from my hair. And I knew that's the reason why it didn't stay as long. So I feel like this would stay a little longer than that one. So I have high hopes for this one, and hopefully, you know, my hair stays this way, because I really love this shade of purple. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it. It is really different from what I normally film, but I thought I would just show you guys how I dye my hair purple. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and share. And follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys next week. Bye.